Hello friends, today in Goway's BDM tutorial series, I bring to you our fantastic destination experts. And you may be wondering, who's this guy behind the mask? So yes, it is COVID-19, it is the pandemic times, and I never get out of my house without my trusted mask, hand sanitizer, and my gloves. But rest assured that I am not going to be presenting behind the cover of this mask. And just to introduce myself, I am Sam Cottar, one of your business development managers based in Toronto, Canada. So today we talk about our destination experts. It's an old adage that a company is as good as its staff. Luckily, our staff at Goway rank with the best of the best. Our dedicated team members hail from over 40 different countries and have diverse life experiences. But what unites us all is a love of travel and a passionate desire to share this world with the Globetrotters in our midst. I get asked this question all the time, Sam, who is the best destination expert that we can contact? Believe you me, with over 150 experts in our family, and this number keeps growing every day, the choices are immense, and the best place for you to know about these staff is either Goway.com or GowayAgent.com. Our destination experts have either lived there or traveled extensively through the countries that they specialize, but a very, very critical and important selling tool is the ability to arrange a three-way conference call. And our destination experts can arrange this three-way conference call with you as the travel agent, your client, and us on this side, and we can definitely help you close the sale. So with over 101 destinations and almost about 2,200 trips on our website, there is endless possibilities to customize your client's vacation. So think about Goway when it comes to customization of an itinerary or anything that you may need to tailor make in terms of a vacation. I'm going to quickly switch screens and to show you where on GowayAgent.com you can actually meet with our team members. So here we go. First and foremost, before you get to meet the team, I hope that every one of you has registered on the site. So if you have not, you can go to GowayAgent.com and sign up. It's a free sign up and you are able to keep yourself abreast of all the Goway happenings. So this is where you get to meet the team, as I was saying, and all the team members are actually itemized as per the destinations that they specialize in, and they're always there to help you. We've got them under the complex air experts. We've got them under the Goway Africa, Goway Asia, South and Central America. We've got them under the Down Under. We've got them under Europe, groups, islands, and we've got a whole list of these experts listed on there. If you scroll down on the team, there is also a little bit on the agent testimonials. And this is where you get to know a little bit more about these agents and the testimonials that they have received from travel agents and clients as well. You can also, on that same underneath the team, you can also look up your friendly business development managers location map. And we have quite a few of them in the US as well as in Canada. So this is a great way to know about the team, to know about the experts, and also about your friendly business development managers. So that brings us to the end of this short little tutorial. Stay tuned for further tutorials in time to come. Thank you.